1. Figure out which card you want. Fulton Bank's got a few different credit cards, right? They've got ones for cashback, some that give you points, and even secured cards if you're looking to build up your credit. Take a peek at their website and see which one sounds like it fits how you spend your money. 2. See if you qualify. Most credit cards have some rules about who can get them. Usually, you gotta be a US citizen or a permanent resident, and you gotta be at least 18. They'll also wanna check your credit history to see if you're good at paying your bills. 3. Round up your info. Before you start clicking or head into a branch, get all your ducks in a row. You'll probably need your social security number, your address history for the last couple of years, and info about your job and how much money you make. 4. Apply online, usually the easiest. Most folks just hop online to apply. Go to the Fulton Bank website, find the credit card section, and pick the card you want. There should be a button that says, Apply Now, or something like that. Just fill out the form with all your info. Double-check everything before you hit Submit. 5. Maybe go to a branch. If you're not super comfortable doing stuff online, or if you have questions, you can always mosey on down to a Fulton Bank branch. They'll have folks there who can walk you through the application process and answer any questions you've got. 6. Sit tight and wait. Once you've applied, Fulton Bank will take a look at your application. Sometimes you hear back pretty quick, but other times it might take a little while. They'll let you know if you got approved. A couple of extra pointers. Existing customer might help. If you already have a bank account with Fulton, it might make things a little smoother, but it's not always a requirement. Read the fine print. Before you apply, take a good look at the interest rates, fees, and any rewards programs that come with the card. You want to know what you're getting into. That's pretty much it. Just follow those steps, and you'll be on your way to potentially getting a Fulton Bank credit card. Good luck.